Hi, I'm doing a bike check for my 2010 DK Cygnus. Okay, well, this is it. I have a DK handlebars. Hold on. DK Bike Co. Oh, We the People bike cable. DK lever, animal grips, animal bar ends. They're really good grips. I've had them for about 4 months now, and they haven't even showed a sign of warning. My friend has had them for 2 years, and they're worn down a little bit. And I got some Apple sponsors. I'm just kidding. I don't have Apple sponsors. And a Eclat seat. It's dirty. Just gonna Eclat. I wrote through water. Kink peg. I don't have one on the front because I took it off. A Haro rim with stolen center spokes, and then a Haro hub, same in the front. I got a stock stem, a stock forks. I got stock cranks as well. Got a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket. I can't remember what the chain's called, but it's green, just like my bike. See the resemblance. My bike's super dirty. I think I'm gonna clean it. This thing, I broke the DK one right here, so I have a Eastern Trail Digger one. Stock brakes. Shit. Yep. Yeah. We the People brake cord. I think I already said that. Stock pedals. I'm getting new ones though because I think I cracked one of them. Like on the other one, I cracked it like right here. That's pretty much it, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, I just got new sealed bearings. So yeah. And DK crank arms. So yeah. And if anybody wants to know how to bar spin, this is pretty much all you do. So you go up. Oh, my bars are really small. I don't know how big they are, but I'm getting bigger ones because I hate the smallness of these. I just don't like it. Bar spins because I'm a little guy. Yeah, I have shorts on. Skinny shorts. Don't make fun of me. Okay. Anyways, bar spins for me, it's really good for having small bars because I'm a little guy. I'm like 5'3", but and bus drivers and stuff. Oh, and I fractured my wrist, so I can't bike right now. I fractured this wrist a month ago, and it freaking hurts right here. Just crack right there. It was a minor fracture. I didn't get a cast. But I'm still not supposed to be biking. I have been because I love biking, but it hurts. Okay, bar spins. When you're going, you're going to have your hand over there. I'm holding the camera. You're going to go like this. You're going to, if you're right-handed or if you throw to the left, you're going to go like this. Actually, I throw different. Like, I'm weird. No, most hands, if you throw with your right hand, you're going to throw to the left. I actually throw with my right hand, but I throw upward, not downward. So I go like that, and then and it just goes around, and you just catch. Now, you usually catch with the opposite hand that you throw with. Since I could not learn how to catch it with my left hand, I just started doing that. So this is pretty much the same thing. Throw with your left hand and catch with your right. So you go, or you throw with that. So you go, whom, and then you would just catch it with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. How to bar spin. On tail whips, I don't know how to do tail whip. So ask somebody else. Ooh, but 180s. Look, I'm gonna pretend like this is strapped to my head or something. So you're gonna go. You're gonna pull up. Turn your bars about this. It's hard to do with one hand. No, I have to do it with my left. And then you're gonna turn, but you're gonna be looking too, so like this. You're gonna look backwards at the back tire. You're just gonna do that. And then just look forward when you're done. So you're just gonna go turn these, look back, and J-hop. And it will fall into place. Oh, and keep pressure against the crank arms with your feet. Right here, right there, keep your feet as close to the crank arms, and you can push with your feet too. So right there, you can push with your feet. So just do this. Keep pressure right there, and I'm gonna do it. All right, peace out.